Informal to formal, formal English sentences part 3. Hey, don't forget to remind her about the meeting. I would like to remind you the new plans that we discussed that day. It will do good to you only if you help her in the task. It would be of great benefit to you if you help her. I have a lot of information for you. We have a vast amount of information at your disposal. Could you help me with the presentation template, please? Alright, we were hoping if you could help us with the presentation template. Thanks a million, I owe you one. I would like to express my gratitude for all the assistance that you have provided me. I think we should focus more on... Well, it is in my opinion that if we use these formal English sentences in your workplace and see the results. Hope you must have got lots of insights from all the parts. If you have few suggestions or any queries, or if you want me to make few more videos on such sentences, comment below.
Give it to me like